Model, 69 plate Volkswagen Transporter 2.0Tdi 78K needs fuel pump repair Euro 6 VAT Inc. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 78,863. MOT, the 27th of April 2026. Engine, 1968cc 2.0Tdi 102 PSEU6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, starts on easy start. Runs great on easy start, the engine sound perfect, it has a fault code for low fuel pressure, needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Straightforward easy replacement job, this is a lovely low-mileage ex-British gas van, absolute bargain with VAT included in the price, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear